Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a drinking water softener to your cold water supply, helping you eliminate harsh chemicals and enjoy cleaner, better tasting water at home. What's in the box? Inside, you'll find the filter unit, flexible connectors, a user manual, mounting sticker, and even a handy timer alarm. Before you begin. Now, this install isn't quite as straightforward as the manual suggests. Most guides assume you've got flexible tails under your sink. But this one? It's all hard copper pipe, so if yours looks like this video is made for you. Step 1. Plan the install. Start by planning where you'll mount the filter. I'm placing mine on the left-hand side of the cupboard, but your setup might vary, so take a moment to understand the pipework first. I located the cold water isolation valve, which feeds both the dishwasher and the kitchen tap, and turned it off to safely work on the pipes. Step 2. Cut the cold water pipe. Movie camera, pipe cutter in action. Once the cold water is off, open the tap to release any pressure. Use a 15mm pipe cutter to slice cleanly through the pipe. Place a towel or small tub underneath. A little water is normal. Step 3. Add an isolation valve. Next, I'm adding a SpeedFit T-fitting with a flat face isolation valve. This gives the softener its own shutoff for future maintenance. Step 4. Prep the feed to the tap, 230. Now we prep the return pipe going to the kitchen tap. I cut that pipe further back to allow space for a female iron compression fitting and flexi hose. Step 5. Attach flexible hoses. Now grab the flexi hose with the long male thread and check valve. Insert the rubber washer into the female fitting. But be careful, the valve thread is longer than the hoses. If you just tighten it down, it'll leak. Step 6. Mount the filter. Now mount the filter. Ask your customer, or choose a spot yourself. I placed it 10mm from the cabinet wall using the included double-sided pad. Step 7. Connect the filter. Connect the flexi hoses into the push-fit connectors on the filter unit. Make sure to follow the in and out arrows printed on the filter body. Step 8. Test the system, 430. Slowly turn the water back on and check for any leaks. Once everything's dry and tight, open the cold tap and run it for 5 minutes. Step 9. Set the timer alarm. Final step, the optional alarm timer. Insert the battery and clip it onto the flexible hose. This gives you a 12-month reminder when it's time to change the filter. And that's it. Everything is now installed, neat, secure, and leak-free. The water is filtered, safe, and good to go. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop your questions below, especially if your setup is different. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.